and I just turned 13. This is not going to be a celebration of success, but it's going to be what I learned after failing for 365 days as a 12-year-old founder. What I learned after having my 400 follower X account getting banned, after having my Reddit account with 110 plus karma get banned, after quitting my newsletter and unsubscribing 110 people from it, after deleting 24 long form videos from my YouTube channel, after building a SaaS for 71 days straight with zero revenue, and so much more. So, welcome to the journey. And something that I want to make clear before going on is that this video isn't advice. In fact, I'm in no position to give you advice, but it's just a record of what stayed and what broke. So these are the 4 lessons that I learned after failing for 365 days straight. Lesson 1. Consistency is a muscle and it does not depend on your mood. I've told you that I deleted 24 long form videos from my YouTube channel, and that led to the result of 20 plus wasted hours. But it also led to me gaining experience of editing 24 long form videos, of speaking in front of the camera 24 times, and also led to this video you're currently watching. And something else is that I've been consistently building my SaaS for 71 days straight, writing content, writing posts, talking with users, getting feedback, and so much more every single day, no matter if it's a Sunday, no matter if I'm sick, no matter if I was out the whole day. I've been doing it every single day. So what I would tell is, get your reps out. The more amount of reps you do, the more experience, the more anything you would get. So just start your first rep right now. And on the 100th rep, you will see how much you have improved. Lesson 2. Platform risk. Alright, so I have got 3 accounts banned. One in Reddit, one on X, and one in TikTok. But coming towards X and Reddit, my X account with 400 followers, with 35 plus leads, with 20 plus prospects, everything got banned one day before the launch. And that sucked for me because X was my main marketing channel and it just got locked. Coming towards Reddit, I have been on Reddit for the past 6 months trying to raise my karma, trying to put posts, trying to get an audience, trying to market. And it all just got banned, just like that. So what this teaches me is that I gotta diversify and build a brand every single place. And if you have been following me from my shorts, you would know that I build content on Instagram, X, Reddit, and YouTube. And I also run a newsletter. So just make sure your business or your content, your brand, does not solely depend on one platform, because one algorithm change, one ban, one hack can result in the doom of the whole business. It isn't good for you. Lesson 3. Progress is always invisible. You have heard 40-year-old grandpas say this on X, but have you heard a 13-year-old girl? So here it is. Progress is always off screen. And what you see is basically my day 54 of launch, or the day 71 where I end the day 71 but what of you 71 don't see is me on day 23, on day 64, struggling, getting down, and feeling completely tired and hopeless. That is what you don't see. And actually, that is the part where everyone quits. That's the most important part. That is where if you don't keep going, the whole thing gets down. So every single bug I rage at, every single time I feel like deleting everything, is where I make all my progress on, even if it's off screen. So don't think virality metrics like the reach, the likes, the shares is what means progress. Progress is actually what you feel within yourself, what you develop within yourself. So make sure you don't depend on those metrics to tell you how much progress you have done. Lesson 4. Be yourself no matter what happens. So I started creating content about 6 months ago. But the starting 4 months was complete AI slop. I used ChatGPT for the script, for writing the posts, and my newsletter use as well. And there's so much of more stuff I did wrong. But the best thing that I ever did the whole journey was being myself and using my own voice. Because if you're out there using AI for every bullshit, you are replaceable. Get your own voice, build your own brand, and make sure you're unique and don't copy others blindly. Turning 13 is actually kind of weird because you're old enough to be judged, but you're not that old enough to be taken seriously. And I'm 13, I have no proof, I have no fame, nor do I have any money. But I have skills that I learned after failing in my 12th year. This is me, Kanishka, and I'm 13 years old. If you want to see me make it to 14, subscribe.